Hi there, for today's video we will be going over characters. We will be talking about realistic fiction characters and fictional characters. Realistic fiction characters. So with those, you have people act and talk like real people. Animals act like pets or other real animals. So here's a little girl who's behaving like a person, like a human, and this little dog is behaving like an animal would. And then you have fictional characters. Fictional characters are made-up characters. Animals behave like people. So right here, here's a little example of a cat and a dog flying an airplane. They're behaving like humans, right? Do animals like that, dogs and cats, do they fly airplanes? No, that's made up. It is fiction. It is fake. Realistic. Remember, realistic seems real. Fiction, it's not real. So you put them together, realistic fiction. It seems real, but it's not real, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and look at some examples of fictional and realistic characters and see if we can't put them where they belong. All right, so I have characters, realistic fiction characters and fiction characters. Remember, realistic fiction characters, they're characters that act like real people. They behave like real people. And then you have animals that behave like either pets or other real animals. Then fictional characters are made up characters. Sometimes they might have powers, maybe sometimes they can do things that wouldn't really happen in real life, okay? And then the animals usually behave like humans, okay? So let's look at this group of kids. Do you think this group of kids, just by looking at them, they'd be an example of realistic fictional characters or fiction characters? If you think realistic fiction characters, give it a thumbs up. If you think fictional characters, give it a thumbs down. All right, give your thumbs up. Yep. This is an example of realistic fiction characters right there. Okay, let's go ahead and look at this character right here. Does he look familiar? Who is he? He's Llama Llama from that Llama Llama storybooks, okay? So just by looking at him, he's dressed, he's a llama, but he's standing up, acting like a human. So do you think he is a realistic fiction character or a fiction character? Thumbs up or down? Up for realistic fiction, thumbs down for fiction. He's a fictional character. You don't have animals that stand up and act like this, behave like they're humans, okay? All right, so here is a goldfish in a little fishbowl. What do you think? Is this an example of a realistic fiction character? Is the animal behaving like a pet or other animals? Thumbs up for realistic fiction or thumbs down for fiction? Realistic fiction. This character is behaving like an animal normally would. Okay, and then here is this one. It's a little chicken, a mother hen, reading a book to the little chicks. He's wearing glasses and holding a book. What do you think? Is this an example of realistic fiction or a fictional character? Realistic fiction character or fiction character? Fictional character. You're not going to see a hen with glasses reading a book and all the little baby chicks right in front of her listening. That is fiction. That is made up. That does not happen. All right, so I hope you like this little review over characters. Remember, we have realistic fiction characters and fictional characters. Realistic fiction characters. They are characters that act and talk like real people. The animals act like pets or other real animals. And then you have fictional characters, where the characters are made up and the animals behave like people. All right, I hope you enjoyed this little video.